lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Hold on. I'm over it. Hold on. Welcome to my messy bathroom. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. I needed that to wake up. Nobody got time for that. Lights. It is 7. It is 7:15. Kids have to leave here at 7 something. I don't know. Let's get Maddie in the outfit. It's windy outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's windy. These are the mornings where I just don't want to be bothered. I think she can wear that. Wait, skirt. Yeah. She'll wear that one. Guys, I tell you, I'm struggling today. I mean, I'm struggling. Over this. It's like I create a It's like you create a system, and then the system get destroyed, and it's like I'm tired. I'm tired of it. Oh, okay. Breathe. Okay. Breathe. It's gonna be okay. I'm sick. I'm sick and tired. I don't want to cry. I'm sick and tired of creating a system for my kids. And then what my kids do, they mess up the system. And then now I have to deal with it. So, yeah. Bag got clothes in tow. Look, see? It's a mess. Look. It's a mess. Why? 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 Have kids, they say. Why are you just now eating? You've been down here since 6 something. Why are you guys just now eating? I don't understand. Like, when it's time to hustle is when y'all want to eat. I'm trying to get their breakfast. Get their breakfast there. It's like, I'm over. I just need a clean surface. That's it. I'm gonna go do their lunches and then I'll come back. Okay. All done. Maddie's dressed. Lunches are done. It's a little late. It's like 10 past the time we normally leave, but who cares? I'll come back and clean up the mess, and you guys are gonna watch me.
My life was great till you added colors.
Put your belt on.
Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
I'm back, guys. I just changed into something a little bit more comfy. so that I can get this cleaning done. It's kind of overcast outside, so I'm gonna have to turn on all the lights so you guys can see. Plus I have to take out dinner. I don't even know what I'm cooking for dinner, but this is the mess. I have that mess there. I have this mess right here. I have a mess down here that I took out, that I created. I might try to get to this space right here. I'm not gonna make it upstairs. I might. I got this area. Today I'm gonna do a vlog style to make it easy on myself. Cause that's that area, and then I have our worship area. It's not bad. Let me turn on some light. Our worship area, not that bad. It's just to pick up the pillows, and I got that area over there. And by the time I'm done, the stairs will be filled with stuff, and then that's what I'm working with. It's not as bad, but it's bad, okay? Because I don't want to do it, so let's do it.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? Where can I find your love that don't cut like
I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. I decided to do it a different style. I love this vacuum right here that I'm showing you, the dirty water. I don't know why I decided I wanted to show you guys the dirty water, but I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. And if you are, just leave something in the comment section. Anything. Your girl's desperate right about now. Not really.
I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. Though it hurts, I can see it in your eyes, babe. But I know you have a lot to give.
Okay. weird, but I'm recording on my phone. My kids do the dishes. That's their only chore. I try to do the bulk of everything, and I just give them like really small tasks to complete. I have to clean the appliances. So that one, I have the microwave and I have the refrigerator. I don't know if I'm gonna throw it in today's video or leave it for, because I have to go get started on laundry. I need some coffee, and I also need to get some Bible study done because I didn't do that too much this morning. Only have the space over there, and then, you know, I always pile my stuff because if not, I find that if I go upstairs, I'll get distracted with what's upstairs. So I try to keep everything down here in a pile, and then I will take it upstairs. That way I don't get distracted. Here comes my doggy. He let himself out while I was cleaning. I have to clean these doors too. They're disgusting. He'll come and tap at the door for me to let him in. So yeah, we're making progress. It's only, so I washed the floors, swept, washed the floors. The good thing about that vacuum is it vacuums up the dirt once I sweep. So it's 8:57, we're making good time. So it vacuums up the dirt when I sweep, and it mops the floor at the same time. So I like to sweep my floors. I like to sweep my floors because I get in all the nooks and crannies, and then I put it in a pile, and then I use the vacuum, that bad boy, to mop and vacuum up all the disgusting dirt. So anyways, I don't know what to do with these plants. I keep moving them everywhere. They were given to me for Christmas at our church, but I don't have anywhere to put them, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. They don't blend in with my stuff. Now, so I am couch shopping for this area because this space is empty. So I'm gonna put this couch over here into that space back there where that table is, and have this be our, it's gonna be our worship space where we worship in, right there. And then over here is gonna be our living room. So I wanna find like a sectional situation, but I feel like if I get a sectional, I'm gonna be limited on how to rearrange the house when Christmas time comes. So I don't know if I want to do that, or I just want to stick to a couch and 2 chairs, or just get 2 chairs and be done, and put the 2 chairs here and leave that space over there as it is. That chair don't belong there. That bench doesn't belong there. It belongs over there in the sitting area, but in the entrance area right there when you come in. But it was too much. It was clashing with that chair that we put there. So I gotta find a space for this guy. I'm thinking of putting it right there, but then again, it's gonna clash with what's going on here. Lord help me. Anyways, let's get back into finish tidying up the space.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something, 'cause I feel alone in a room surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you, and your street lights.
and deal with something. And I'm just now, you know, calming down. Even though it didn't happen to me, these are people that are really close to me. So I had to stop and pray and thank God for everything that He has done, will continue to do. I need to pump water and protein in my body because I am prepping my body for major surgery in a few months. So I have to be in tip-top shape for that. So I haven't drank any water. I need to fill this guy up. And that's where I'm going to leave you off for the day. This thing takes forever in a day to fill up. It takes a long time, so I'm going to fill it up. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Are you guys still here? It's gonna take a minute.
I've been listening to too many of my days. Now you just my makeup, believer out of me. 'Cause you look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright.
I'm gonna have one of these Walmart water flavoring situations. Bye, guys.